Transform your static PDF documents into dynamic, editable masterpieces with Dochub, your all-in-one solution for PDF editing. First things first, head over to Dochub.com and either sign in to your existing account or create a new one for free once you're logged in. You'll be greeted by the main Dochub dashboard. To begin editing, you have a couple of options. You can simply drag and drop your PDF file directly onto the Dochub window, or click the Upload button and select your file from your computer. Once uploaded, your PDF will open in the Dochub editor. Now let's get to the fun part, making changes. To edit existing text, select the Text tool from the top toolbar. Simply click on the text you want to modify, and you'll see a bounding box appear. You can then type, delete, or rephrase your text as needed. Don't forget to explore the formatting options that appear when you're editing text. You can change the font style, size, color, and even adjust alignment for that professional touch. Need to add or replace an image? Easy. Click on the Image tool. You can then upload a new image from your computer and place it wherever you desire within your PDF. Existing images can also be selected and repositioned, resized, or deleted. You can also add entirely new elements like shapes or lines using the corresponding tools in the toolbar. This allows for annotations, diagrams, or highlighting key sections. Once you're happy with all your edits, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save or Download button. Usually located in the top right corner, you can then choose to save your revised PDF back to your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully mastered editing your PDF files directly within Dochub, creating polished and precise documents in just a few simple steps.